Hey, my name is Alex. I'm just gonna show around some modding stuff. The thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making a skill tree. This is just an example of what you can do and how you can do it. And the way that we're gonna be doing this is we're gonna be enabling the use of capabilities. So I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm also gonna just show you how to make your own registry system, I guess. But for now, we're just gonna take baby steps and just, you know, and just get the things that we need to get done first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rename all this. So I'm gonna do, whoops, I'm gonna do mdc.skilltree refactor. So indexing thing. Yeah, that's okay. Now it's done. Okay, get rid of this example, and then we can just refactor this example mod thingy. We can just do we can just do SkillTree, and then I would much rather move these to some kind of reference class. There, and then move these here, and then change that to SkillTree, and then just do like 0.01. And then we can do public static final string, what is it, name equals SkillTree, and then we can do the proxy, so public static final string, whoops, common proxy, and then that would be just com.mdc.skilltree.proxies, actually just proxy dot common proxy, and then we can just copy paste, and then just do client, whoops, client proxy, and then just do client proxy, right? And then we can just do new, wait, we need a package. Create a new package, proxy, and then Java class, common proxy, public void pre-init, pre-initialization events, whoops, and then init events there. And then the client proxy, extends common proxy, and then import those two, and bam, proxies are done. And then we can just do reference, not ID, reference version, and then we can do name equals reference.name, and then we can get at cited proxy, and then public static common proxy, and then import that, and then we can do, let's get a pre-init. Public void pre-init, pre-initialization events, and then it's called proxy dot pre-init events, and then let me fix that. Proxy. Oh yeah, I know. Go ahead and boo, yeah, whine all you want. Yeah, whatever. It's more readable this way, so shut up. Let's get events. And then we need a logger, so let's get public static final logger. Whoops. Logger equals log manager dot get logger, and then let's just do reference.modid, and then boom, and then import, and bam, we are all set up. We are all ready to go. So what is next? Well, we need to think about how we're going to structure this. So first off, we need to get a we want to get a capability thing going. So let's go ahead and just do capabilities, and then we want ICAP, actually just iCapability, and then we want to let me see. I don't really do capabilities very often, so let's just go and do let me see here. One of does that? No. Let's just do MH M hunters. What? No? No? What was it called? Okay, does he have capabilities in this? Oh, whoops. There. Whoops. Too far. Yeah, no, he doesn't. I didn't think so. But, where's Mob Hunters? There it is. Mob Hunter. So it was called Mob Hunter. Okay, whatever. Capability. Let's do iCapability. Okay, so an interface extends INBT serializable NBT tag compound. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's change this to an interface, and then let's do extends INBT serializable NBT tag compound. I really hate I really hate prepending an I to all the interface names. Like, it's just ridiculous. I'm sorry, but it is. It really is ridiculous. But whatever. Everything else in Forge does that. Might as well stay consistent. So, what do we need? We need a resource location get key, iCapability provider get provider, void data change entity player MP player. So the resource location get key, that gets the capability key used when adding the capability to entities. And then the get provider gets the new capability provider for this capability. Data change will send updates for all data in this capability. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and do that. So we need to do resource location. So resource location get key. Whoa, what's going on? There. And then we need iCapability provider. Provider gets provider. And then void data changed entity player MP player. Import in there. And then we need to do ICAP SkillTree, which implements iCapability, bam, and then we need to implement everything. There we go. So what's going on here is, so you see these deserialized and serialized and stuff. These are going to be how we're going to be saving everything into NBT, because capabilities heavily rely on NBT in order to store and save information. So when you load up a world, that has this certain kind of kind of NBT, because all NBT is saved within the world that you're playing in, and the world is like the highest level of the NBT tree, and then everything else just kind of goes from there, and then it just creates like this huge mess of NBT and everything. So we're gonna need to create a new NBT tag compound, tag list, or whatever, and then return an NBT tag compound. Here we're just getting the NBT tag compound from here, and we are taking the data from the NBT and storing it into all of the things that we're going to be doing, or that we're going to be needing in here. So let's go ahead and just do like we need a. Do we need static? No, we don't. So we're going to be doing private linked list, and then we're going to be needing to do skill, and we'll make that here in a minute. And then SkillTree. Actually, we don't need a linked list here. We need a linked list elsewhere. So we're actually going to be needing a list, and we're going to be doing skill, and these are all of the I don't know, added skills. Because new array list. Actually, no, we don't need that. There. I'm so glad that they fixed that in 1.12. It says 1.11.2, if you haven't noticed. I go into preferences. Wait, no, it's not there. It's project structure. No, not here. There we go. Let's go to 8. Apply. Okay. Schema. Oh my god. Cannot infer. What? Okay, skill isn't created yet. So now we need a new resource location. How is that resource location made? Okay. Let's just look at this. Just look at capability quest, and yeah, I realized that this is named wrong. This is capability skill tree. Let me. Yeah, this needs to be renamed. There. What? Oh, right. What's going on here? Yeah, whatever. Okay. So now we need to do a new resource location, and we need to do reference.modID, and then we need to do SkillTree. Cool. And then get the provider. How would that be done? This is it, right? No, that's iQuest. Let me look at iQuest. iCapability. There we go. So yeah, it should be this one, right? Should be, yeah. What? Let me go back to this. Let me go all the way to the bottom and see what's here. Deserialize, serialize, 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 serialize. Data changed, data changed. Get provider, Right. Let's go and look at the capability quest provider. And it just has a bunch of, okay. Get capability, okay. Enum facing. What does that have to do with anything? That just, okay, let's try that. Let's just see what goes on there. So let's just do new capability SkillTree provider. And then make that. And then this should, what, extends? Implements. Capability serializable. No, NBT tag compound, right? Yep, okay. And just import everything. Yeah, okay. Get capability. Serialize NBT. Deserialize. Okay, cool. So we need private capability skill tree. Skills. And then apparently we need a constructor. Whoops. There we go. Constructor. And then skills equals, see what this is. Alright. New capability skill tree. There we go. So what else? Okay, so that means we need capability manager. Is equal to skill tree capabilities dot skill tree. Right, get capability. Ooh, so let's do has capability. We're going to be using a ternary operation. Whoops. Facing. And then we need to return cast T of st capabilities dot skill tree. Otherwise, no. Correct? Oh, wait, no. That's not it. We need to return the skills. Again, I don't really do yeah, that's retarded. What is going on here? Unchecked count. So let's just do and suppress warnings. Unchecked. All good. And then serialize, we need to do skills.serialize nbt, and then skills.deserialize nbt. Cool. All done with this. Now we just need to make, let's go ahead and make, oops, hold up. We need another package. We need handlers, and here we'll put all of our events and whatnot. So we can do SkillTree capabilities, and then how did that go? Going to handler, I think. No, not in there. Init. Here we go. Alright. Alright. Okay, easy enough. So we need a capability inject, and then, whoa, what's going on? Whoa, why is this there? Right, okay. Then we need capability SkillTree .class, and then we need public static skill, what's going on here now? Capability, okay. Capability SkillTree, and then SkillTree equals null. Needs to be initialized. Alright, then we need a public get capabilities, array list capability. Would this be static? Yes, everything is static. Static array list capability, get capabilities, and then let me see here. So we need an array list, so public static final list capabilities equals new array list. Oops. There we go. So we need to check if capabilities is equal to null. And why is that? Yeah, that's true. I made this final, so there we go. No need to check if it's null. Oh, wait. Silly me. I can make that final. I just need to check if it's empty. Because obviously, it's always gonna be not null. Capabilities.add SkillTree. And the way that I'm doing this is you can this way you can just add whatever capabilities you want, as many as you want to. What is going on there? Just a plain old array list. Alright. Kind of weird, but okay. Whatever. Bright. So we need an init that's public static. Let's make this unoverwritable. Init. And what's going on here? All right. Silly me. Capability manager instance register. Dot instance dot register. So we need the capability class, storage, and a new callable, which that could probably just be a lambda. Yeah, that could just be a lambda. So we need capability SkillTree dot class and the new storage, and then actually we can just do new capability. Okay, new capability SkillTree. All Gucci, no. Failed to resolve argument. What? Yeah, I didn't think so. So I guess you really can't do a callable here. A lambda here. That's so dumb. What is going on with that T? Oh no, not my terminal. Anything but the terminal. Whoa, I don't want a freaking T there. Stupid generics, automatic generics. Capability skill tree. There we go. Yeah, see, I can just do a lambda, but why can't I? That is what? Let me close this Gradle window. There we go, much better. Oops. Return new capability skill tree. Why is that happening? This is... Hold up. Let me check something. No, that's not it. Interesting. We should be able to just put a lambda there. Even IntelliJ says so. So why can't we? That is ridiculous. What? That's sufficient? Oh my god. Whatever. Let's just create class. Wait a minute. Server capabilities. Storage. Whoops. Extends. Let's see here. What does it extend to? T extends I capability, implements capability.I storage T. Cool. So extends I capability, and then this implements capability. Hold up. Yeah. Capability.I storage T. Implement methods. There we go. And here it's just instance. Where's instance? There it is. Dot serialize npt. All Gucci. I don't really say Gucci. I actually hate that. I just do it as a joke. There, and then whoops. instance dot deserialize nbt. Yeah, nbt. Not much to do here. Wait a minute. Are you joking? I just cast it. Oh my god. The Forge API is kind of ridiculous right now, but you can't really blame the authors. You gotta blame Minecraft for being ridiculously retarded. Code-wise. There we go. Boom, diggity slam. So what's going on in here? And just do that. Oh, that's where the errors come in. So let's see if we can do a lambda now. New capability skill tree. Ah, there we go. No errors there. With method reference. Jesus Christ. That, oh my god, lambdas in Java really irk me. Capability skill tree. New. Oh my god. Yeah, Java is a terrible language. Stop it. Ah, that right there. There we go, all good. Yeah, we really don't need this final. It's kind of a waste of space. And then let's go ahead and just import that. We're all good there. And then let's create the skill. So we're going to do a new package called skills. Java skill. And then we can just do, actually let's make this an interface called iSkill. And then we can just do like, let's just say string get name, the name of the skill, and then we can just do like, oh god. So there's so what goes into a skill? We could get a resource location. Yeah, let's get a resource location. Get resource location. Get that. And then we will need. Let me see here. We will need, I guess, void action. So this action would just be like what it can do, right? So let's go ahead and add in something like world entity player, and then block pause. There we go. Yeah, that might be it for the skill. Maybe there are other things. Oh wait, there's another thing. So I skill parent skill. So basically we have a name for it, we have a resource location, and then we have a parent skill, so that if you need to complete, if you need another skill in order to get this skill, then that's just going to be there. You know, you just say, like, for example, if you want a player to be able to get a skill called like for example, Craftsmanship II. Obviously, you would need Craftsmanship I. So you just put Craftsmanship I there, and then if someone tries to get Craftsmanship 2, then they're not going to be able to because they need Craftsmanship 1, right? So let's just go ahead and refactor this, rename I, bam. So now let's go ahead and create a Java class called skill, and let's say craftsmanship. Implement I skill, implement methods, and then let's just say actually this should be craftsmanship 1. So let's say 1. Actually I'm gonna do it a bit differently. Let's do that, and then let's say we have, so there's craftsmanship. So let's say that we have just this craftsmanship here, right? And then we just take that away. And then let's say we have private static final string name. And let's say we have a constructor, craftsmanship. Let's do string name. Actually, let's just do suffix. Actually, let's get int level. So like what level it is, right? The name needs to be, let's just do string formats, and then we can do craftsmanship underscore and then percent I, and then we can do level. Actually, we need string dot value of and then level. What's going on here? Illegal format string specifier unknown conversion percent I. Dang. I think it's D. Yeah, it's D. Okay. Oh wait. Duh. Can't do that. Oops. There we go. Why is this giving us a headache? Well, it might not need to be final. Yeah, it doesn't really need to be final, so we can just do like, whoa, what is it? So refactor, rename, shift F6, that's right. Just do name. There we go. So now we need the resource location too, right? So we can just do private static resource location reslock. Oops. And then we can just do reslock equals new resource location, and then we can give it reference dot mod ID, and then we can do craftsmanship underscore plus, and then string dot value of level. There we go. And then if we create some inner classes, we can do public static skill craftsmanship 1 class. Whoops. There we go. So there's craftsmanship 1, and then we can just have this implement iSkill, and then we can just do, actually this would also need to extend skill craftsmanship. So implement methods, create constructor, except we don't need this. We just need to pass in like 1. And then get name. This dot name, right? No. There we go. Name. Reslock. Parent skill. Yeah, null. And then action can just be, I don't know, let's just say that, let's just say that you're able to get more out of your crafting. So when you craft something, you get extra, right? So let's just say that if player dot can we do no? We would probably need an event for this. So let's just go ahead and do like, this is bad practice, but let's just do subscribe, event bus subscriber, and then let's do at event, at subscribe events, and then public void on crafting. We do entity player, player events dot no player crafting, no crafting event, no, hold up, let's go to crafting event, no, events, player events. Let's see what other kinds of player events there are. No? Interesting. Maybe it's player interact events? Let me look at this. So, player interact event is fired when the player interacts in some way. All subclasses are fired on Minecraft Forge event bus. See the, okay. So, entity interact specific, no. Entity interacts, right click block, maybe. Right click item, right click empty, left click block, left click empty. Okay, so maybe we should do, okay, hold on. Let's do a little bit of research. So let's just do Minecraft's Forge crafting events. Forge events. That's 1.7.2. Well, hopefully it'll at least, because events haven't really changed that much in the past few years. Not that I know of. Oh, item crafted events. Yeah, see that. Item crafted events. What? Why is that a thing? I hate that so much. It really just irks me in the wrong way. Are you serious? Oh, whoops. So let's just do that. Okay, that works. Whatever. So we need to do entity player. Actually, if events dot player dot world dot is remote return, and then we need to do entity player equals events dot player. We need to do if event.craft. Actually, let's just do item item equals events.crafting. What? Item stack. Oh, okay. If item, hold up, crafted. If crafted dot is item equal new item stack. Let's just do item dot get item from block. Let's do blocks dot actually we need to just get anything. So yeah, we don't need to do this. We just need to do crafted dot set counts and then crafted dot get counts times, let's say 0.5. Actually, times equals 0.5, right? Oh wait, no, can't do that. Times the crafted dot get counts. This needs to be plus. Okay, there, right? No, cast parameter to int. Right. So we need to cast this to an int. There we go. So yeah, so we don't need this player here. That's all that we need. That means this action right here, we can probably just do like I don't know. I don't think you would really need anything for the action. Actually, we can. So let's just do private in Boolean action called equals false, and then in here we can do action called equals true, and then if action call called, and then do that, right? Actually, you know what? We don't need this action. We could probably just do it with events. Yeah, we can just do it with events. Alright, that works. So let's go ahead and get rid of that action method there. Whoops. Alright, so just events, right? And I think I'm just going to leave it here. I've been going on long enough. So this is just the start of the SkillTree API, I guess. Yeah, I know it's not really that exciting, but it's something, right? So anyways, see ya.